Ring around the rosy, pocket full of posies. Okay, here they come now. Here they come, honey. Stand still. I don't want you to get... Go through the mud!
I'm going in there!
Go ahead!
Let's walk in the mud.
Comes Mac.
How clever
Well, where'd Zachary go? Here he comes. Here he comes. Go through the mud, Zachary. Go, I want to see you. How come he's not going through the mud?
He can't go through that
But
one.
he's not even going through the little one. Well, I guess he went through that one.
Mommy.
Okay, honey. One more
Here,
time.
Matthew.